Example number 3. Number equals to input of plug in a number with a space and then print of number. It returns plug in a number. When you plug in a number 100 and then press the enter, you will get 100 here. Look, this time my variable name is the number. This whole information from here up to here has been saved with a variable which is a number. It is the identifier, it is the variable, it is the placeholder where it holds this information from here up to here in the computer memory. When you call the variable name like printf number, you will get access to this information in the computer memory. Always access the information by calling the variable name like number. So when you run the program, in the output, first you will get that plug in a number with a space, because remember, we put a space here. If you have a space here, you will get a space in the final output. If you don't have a space after the colon, you won't get a space. There won't be a space between 100 and colon. So since we have a space, therefore we got a space here, and then type 100, plug in 100, and then press the enter button. When you press the enter button, you will get 100. So we got 100 in the output. That's how the input function works. If you remember last time, we had a variable name and then this whole expression like plug in the number, or my name is Moein, or I teach Python, number equals to 2, number equals to 3, number equals to 5. When you take the printf number, you will get directly 2 or 3 or 4 in the final output, and that is it. But when it comes to the input function, the case is different. You can't directly get the output. When you call the variable number by using the print function, the first line will be plug in a number, which is this statement inside the quotes. You will get this first line. And then when you plug in 100, and then press the enter, you will get 100. Because 100 is the number that we have plugged here for this expression. So there is a difference between the direct print function and the print function with the input function. I hope you got the idea now. Example number 4. Number equals to input of enter a number with a space, print of number, enter a number 30.0, and then press the enter, you will get 30.0. You can use the Colab. It is the online editor. Or you can use the Jupyter. You can also use the Visual Studio. And there is another editor which is Atom. There are many editors where you can use. Simply write this expression and then take the printf number. In the first line you will get enter a number with a space because we have a space here, and then this time I give the floating point number 30.0 and then press the enter, you will get 30.0. So whatever number you put it here, you will get it in the final output. If it is integer, you will get integer. If it is float number, you will get float number. If it is a prime number, you will get a prime number. It depends what type of number you're going to plug in here.